bavuga ko ibitero byibasiye abasivile b'abanyamurenge byagiye bikorwa n'imitwe yitwaje intwaro itandukanye, harimo FDLR, Maimai, Red Tabara na Wazalendo, hamwe n'abandi bagize uruhare mu bitero bitandukanye zayo makimbirane. Icyifuzo cyabo umuryango mpuzamahanga, abanyamurenge basaba umuryango mpuzamahanga kwemera uburemere bw'ibyaha n'ubwicanyi bavuga ko bakorewe, gushyiraho iperereza mpuzamahanga rigenga kandi ritabogama ibyaha byose bivugwa ko byakorewe abanyamurenge, gukurikirana no kubiryoza ababigizemo uruhare bose hatitawe ku rwego cyangwa umutwe babarizwamo, gusaba guverinoma ya Kongo iharanira demokarasi ya Kongo n'iy'u Burundi hamwe n'imitwe yose yitwaje intwaro ikorera muri ako karere harimo FDLR, Maimai, Wazalendo kubahiriza amategeko mpuzamahanga arengera uburenganzira bwa muntu n'amategeko agenga intambara no kurinda abasivili, kugahato, itotezwa ndetse no kubura ababo basize uko bari. Bakomeje gusaba ibyo buri muntu wese akwiye guhabwa kuri ubutabera, umutekano, kubazwa inshingano kw'abakoze ibyaha no kubaho mu mahoro mu gihugu cyabo batiganya batikanga. Murakoze.
To those who don't understand English, here's the Kinyarwanda, here's the English version. History of violence against the Banyamulenge at different times and in different areas because of their identity. This document presents the account provided in the source text. Claims concerning specific incidents, numbers, perpetrators, and legal characterizations are presented as allegations or reported accounts where appropriate. 1966, according to the account provided, the earliest known killings targeting Banyamulenge because of their identity occurred in the following places: Katongo, Kirumba, Kirambo, Mutambala, Monanira. For Banyamulenge, these attacks are described as the beginning of a long history of persecution and killings targeting them because of their ethnicity. 1996, following the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda, some individuals who had participated in the genocide fled to the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC. According to the various organizations and witnesses, genocidal ideologies and ethnic hatred continued to spread, particularly targeting Kinyarwanda-speaking communities and especially the Banyamulenge. As a result, thousands of Banyamulenge were reportedly forcibly expelled from their ancestral homeland. Families were separated Many civilians were displaced and others were taken toward areas inhabited by the Babembe, where many were reportedly killed. Crimes reported as having been committed against Banyamulenge include killing of civilians from Ibogobogo in Baraka, killing in Bivumu, Loye Bamboko, Magaja, Loye Bamboko, Kabera, and Uvira, Kamonyola, and Darfur. Community representatives and human rights advocates state that Banyamulenge have continued to face discrimination, hate speech, insecurity, forced displacement, and repeated attacks in the Democratic Republic of Congo. They also express concern that genocidal ideology and ethnic hatred continue to exist, and they report that attacks against Banyamulenge civilians have been carried out by different armed groups, including the FDL, Mai Mai, Red Tabara, and Wazalendo, as well as by other actors at different stages of the conflict. They appeal to the international community. Banyamulenge representatives call on the international community to recognize seriousness of the crimes and killings they say have been committed against them, establish an independent and impartial international investigation into all alleged crimes committed against Banyamulenge, hold all those responsible accountable regardless of their position or the armed groups to which they belong. Community representatives and human rights advocates state that Banyamulenge have continued to face discrimination, hate speech, insecurity, forced displacement, and repeated attacks in the Democratic Republic of Congo. They also express concern that genocidal ideology and ethnic hatred continue to exist, and they report that attacks against Banyamulenge civilians have been carried out by different armed groups, including the FDL, Mai Mai, Red Tabara, and Wazalendo, as well as by other actors at different stages of the conflict. They appeal to the international community. Banyamulenge representatives call on the international community to recognize seriousness of the crimes and killings they say have been committed against them, establish an independent and impartial international investigation into all alleged crimes committed against Banyamulenge, hold all children, many of whom remain missing to this day, pillaging and destruction of homes, rape of women and girls, forced marriage of girls, and the use of boys as forced laborers. 1998, according to the witnesses and various organizations, Banyamulenge soldiers in the Congolese armed forces, together with their families, were hunted down and killed because they were Banyamulenge or Tutsi. These killings were reported in the following areas: Kinshasa, Zura, Kalemie and surrounding areas, Uvira, Baraka, Lubumbashi, Kamina, Kabongo, Kananga, Mbuji Mai, Kindu, and Kisangani. 2004, South Kivu. In 2004, acts of violence reportedly intensified again in South Kivu. Various reports describe killings, forced displacements, destruction of homes, and looting in the following areas: Bukavu and Shabunda. 2004, Gatumba massacre, Burundi. After fleeing violence in Uvira, thousands of Banyamulenge sought refuge at the Gatumba refugee camp in Burundi, hoping they had reached a safe place. However, according to the survivors and various studies, the camp became the scene of a major massacre. The section of the camp housing Banyamulenge refugees was reportedly deliberately identified and attacked. Some witnesses stated that people from other ethnic groups were warned in advance and left the camp before the attack, leaving Banyamulenge refugees as the main victims. In the attack, 166 Banyamulenge refugees were reportedly killed, human rights advocates states that Banyamulenge have continued to face discrimination, hate speech, insecurity, forced displacement, and repeated attacks in the Democratic Republic of Congo. They also express concern that genocidal ideology and ethnic hatred continue to exist, and they report that attacks against Banyamulenge civilians have been carried out by different armed groups, including the FDL, Mai Mai, Red Tabara, and Wazalendo, as well as by other actors at different stages of the conflicts. They appeal to the international community. Banyamulenge representatives call on the international community to recognize seriousness of the crimes and killings they say have been committed against them, establish an independent and impartial international investigation into all alleged crimes committed against Banyamulenge, hold all those responsible accountable regardless of their position or the armed groups to which they belonged, call on the government, to the Democratic Republic of the Congo and the government of Burundi, together with all armed groups operating in the region, including the FDLR, Mai Mai, Red Tabara, and Wazalendo, to respect international human rights law and the laws of armed conflict, and to protect civilians. For many years, Banyamulenge families say they have experienced killings, forced displacement, persecution, and the loss of loved ones because of their identity. They continue to call for what every person deserves: truth, justice, security, accountability for perpetrators, and the right to live peacefully in their homeland without fear. Thank you.
Barakoze cyane abavuye kuduheza aya mateka. Uku niko Banyamulenge bagiye bicwa mu bihe bitandukanye,
mu bisere by'enjawulo,
mu turere dutandukanye,
mu butundo bw'enjawulo,
kandi nta kindi baziraga.
ate tewali kirala kye baali bafuna,
Nta cyaha bakoze,
tebakola kibi,
ahubwo baziraga kuwasa.
wabula nga bwe bali bafaanagana.
Ibi nibyo twamagana uyu munsi,
Bino eno bye tugaana olwaleero
bitazongera kubaho.
tebidangamu okubeerawo,
Dusaba n'amahanga
ng'era nga tusaba amawanga
kuturengana,
otuyambako,
n'abana bacu
era n'abaana baffe
muzumve,
mubiwulire,
muzabikurikize,
n'abigoberera,
muzabyamagane,
mubigaane,
timukemere ko bizabageraho.
temukkiriza nti biddemu okubeerawo oba obatuukako,
muzabyumva amateka ariko ntibikabageraho.
mubiwulire buwulizi naye tebituukako mwoyo.
Reka twumve abasubira kuturirimbira.
Intero ni yayindi ni ukwibuka. Imyaka ibaye myinshi twicwa, aho kugwiza inshuti twagwije abanzi. Mana ngwino turengere, turengere Mana dutabare. Amaraso yawe arataka ku misozi y'umurenge, abagitishwa ubuzima bwuzuye intimba mu mitima, babuze kirengera. Tuzahora tubibuka, ikivi cyanyu tuzacyusa, ubwoko bw'Abanyamulenge tuzahora tubibuka. Yari umusizi usiga bagasigara basiganuza amasezerano burezi. Murakoze, murakarama.
bacu ibyo turimo takere dukangurira abantu no kwibuka.
Yebale nnyo otuwako wano tewali kirala kyetujukiza abantu wabula kujukira
no guharanira uburenganzira bwacu.
era n'okuyayaanira okufuna.
Arakoze mushiki wacu
Yebale nnyo owooluganda
kudutegurira uyu muvugo.
otuwe nopowemu.
Arakoze cyane.
Yebale nnyo.
Reka kumvica amateka.
The FDL elements of the FARDC and Mai Mai militaries Leaders of the Parimehutu FNL openly claimed responsibility, confirming the genocidal intent. Attackers shouted with slogans such as "Exterminate all the Tutsi in the region," revealing the continuity of the same ideology that fueled the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda. This genocide did not occur in isolation. It followed earlier waves of systematic killings of Tutsi Banyamulenge civilians between 1996 and 1998 in Kinshasa, Lubumbashi, Biura, Bibogobogo, and the other locations across the Democratic Republic of Congo. These campaigns of persecution, hunting, and murder based solely on ethnic identity form part of a long-standing pattern of violence driven by an entrenched anti-Tutsi ideology that continues to threaten the survival of Banyamulenge communities. 22 years later, this genocidal ideology remains deeply rooted in parts of the Democratic Republic of Congo and the wider region. In the high plateaus of Fizi, Mwenga, and Uvira, Banyamulenge communities continue to endure systemic violence, killings, the destruction of villages and infrastructure, massive cattle routing, widespread displacement, and largely undocumented sexual violence. These ongoing atrocities demonstrate the persistent and dangerous nature of an ideology that targets Banyamulenge and other Tutsi-identifying communities. The Foundation expresses deep concern over the Burundian government's continued refusal to permit survivors of the Gatumba genocide, together with their families and friends living in Burundi, to commemorate their relatives. This denial of the right to mourn and remember violates basic human dignity, reinforces marginalization, and obstructs both healing and justice. It is unacceptable that survivors are denied authorization and protection by Burundian authorities to visit the memorial site in Gatumba, the very place where the genocide occurred and where the remains of the victims still lie. Despite strong condemnation by the African Union, the European Union, and the United Nations, no trial has ever been held for Gatumba genocide. The perpetrators are known, yet impunity persists. Successive governments in Kinshasa and Burundi have failed to prioritize accountability despite their moral and political responsibility. Justice delayed is justice denied. The Gatumba Refugees Survivors Foundation therefore issues the following demands. The international community must honor its obligation to deliver justice for the victims of the Gatumba genocide. The United Nations must employ all available mechanisms to bring Agathon Rwasa, Pastor Habima, and their accomplices to justice. The United Nations, the European Union, the African Union, and the regional organizations must firmly condemn the Burundian and Congolese governments for enabling genocidal ideology and must demand protection and rehabilitation for the victims. The government of Democratic Republic of the Congo must immediately end targeted attacks against the Banyamulenge and restore security to ensure that displaced persons and the refugees can return home safely and with dignity. 22 years after Gatumba, the Banyamulenge community continues to face existential threats. The Gatumba Refugee Survivors Foundation reaffirms its unwavering commitment to truth, justice, and the protection of our Tutsi communities in the region. I remain Bizoza Joseph. Thank you.
Ndashimira urubyiruko rwa hano rwadufashije kugira ngo ibintu bigende neza. Iki ni igikorwa gikomeye kandi kiremereye, ariko hari inkunga yabo bakoze kandi zifatika. Urubyiruko rwiza turabashimira kandi turi kumwe namwe nta kibazo. Imana izadufasha tuzagera kure. Ndashimira itorero rya hano, ndashimira urwego rwa pasiteri, ndashimira n'abandi bose muri rusange abaturage ba hano b'Abanyamulenge kubwo kuza tukunama kuri uyu munsi w'umubabaro, umunsi w'umwijima, umunsi w'akaga, umunsi twaboneyemo ibibazo bikomeye. Mwagize neza kuza. Hanyuma kubera impamvu z'umwana, ubu bwicanyi ntabwo ari uyu munsi bwatangiye. Dufite amateka maremare kandi atari meza mu gihugu cyacu cya Kongo. Nza no kubasaba dusoza hano lisite y'abantu baguye mu Gatumba, niba byaba ngombwa ko tubasoma. Oya, ni ukubyumvikana kubera impamvu z'umwana kandi no gutinya ko abantu wenda hari ababogira ihungabana. Tubihorere duhereye cyane kuri bano bari bahari, hari icyo duhungabana. Murakoze banyacyubahiro, dutegere tugaruke rero. Ndabyihutisha umwanya bampaye ndawuzi kandi ndawujera neza. Mu izina rya Mitwari rya Mubende duhagarariye, dufite umubaro n'agahinda kenshi kubw'amateka mabi yaranze mu bwoko bwacu bw'Abanyamulenge mu gihugu cya Kongo, cyane cyane mu karengane kagiye kaba mu bihe bitandukanye, ariko dufite icyizere ko bizorangira kubera ko dufite Imana y'umuriro yaturemye, tukagira amatwi irwaneho yacu n'ishaka rya MRDP ndetse na M23, kubera ko abantu tubafite n'Imana yacu bizashirwaho iherezo, tuzongera dutahe kandi duture ku butaka bwacu. Biragoye rero kuvuga amateka y'ibinyejana birenga 5 Abanyamulenge bamaze muri Kongo mu minota 30 bampaye, ariko ndagerageza kubabuka no kudasiga iby'ingenzi. Nagira ngo mpere gukosora izina Abanyamulenge, ntabwo twitwa Abanyamulenge, twitwa Abanyamulenge. Urumvise? Ntabwo turi Abanyamulenge, ni Abanyamulenge bitewe n'umusozi twagiyemo. Ntabwo witwa Murenge, witwa Mulenge. Cyane cyane rero hari amateka yanditse, akaba n'icyo bita tradition orale, amateka yavuzwe, ariko amateka yanditse y'Abanyamulenge mu butaka bwa Kongo ahera mu bihumbi hagati y'igihumbi kimwe 543 n'igihumbi kimwe 609. Nico gihe Umunyamulenge wa mbere yakanye kuri ubutaka bwa Kongo bwaje kwitwa Kongo ahari. Ibyo zanditswe mu bitabo byinshi bitandukanye, abantu bakunda gusoma mubibona, zanditswe mu gitabo cy'umugabo w'Umunyarwanda witwa Alexis Abe Kagame n'umubirigi witwa Depeche n'abandi benshi. Ibyo nibo bagiye bazanditse kandi bazanditse mu bihe bitandukanye. Twihuse rero, Abanyamulenge bamaze imyaka hagati ya 400 na 500 kuri buriya butaka bwaje kwitwa Kongo. Ubundi Kongo yavutse mu 1885. Nico gihe yiswe izina Kongo iba independent. Yiswe n'umwami w'Umubirigi witwa Leopold, umwami wa kabiri. Yari amaze kuhagera, hari ababo bari bari gushaka kuri buriya butaka ngo bahagere ngo bone kiriya gihugu, acita igihugu ciwe ku giti ciwe, aragitwara imyaka hafi 23 ari umuntu ku giti ce y'ikongo yitwiwe yose. Hanyuma bigeze aho biza kumunanira kubera ko igihugu ari kinini, agihereza ababirigi. Igihugu yaratwaye abari badukoroniza kuva ku itariki 15 z'ukwezi kwa kane mu 1908 kugeza ku itariki 30 z'ukwezi kwa gatandatu mu 1960. Igitangaje nabibutsa aha cyane ndi ku karengane twagiye dukorerwa, kandi cyane bishingiye ku twita ngo turi Abanyarwanda ntabwo turi Abakongomani. Abo babirigi badukoronije nabo ubwabo babonye ubwigenge mu gihugu cyabo mu 1831. Uvuga ngo iyo myaka babona ubwigenge wabo nabo twari tugize hafi aka karengane tugenda tuvuga tugarukaho buri gihe katangiye ryari. Intambara ya mbere Abanyamulenge bahuye nayo cyane cyane akarengane kacu gashingiye ku ntambara twagiye duhura nazo. Intambara ya mbere yabaye mu 1800. Bo Abanyamulenge bari ku butaka bwa Kongo hari mu kibaya cya Rusizi, niho bari batuye. Bahagirana intambara n'Abarundi, kandi bapfuye ibintu bidafatika kuri bamwe, ahandi ku bandi bifatika. Bapfuye inzuri zinka, bararwana, Abanyamulenge benshi barahaguye. Noneho barangije baza kugenda bagazura ubutaka, barazamuka bafata iya misozi batararenga hejuru. Iyo ni intambara ya mbere bagiye bahura nayo. Mu mwaka rero w'1850 baza guhura n'intambara ya kabiri yabo n'Abafurere. Habaga umwami w'Abafurere witwaga Mahina. Muri uyu mwaka uwo Mahina yahishe Abanyamulenge cyane, yari umwami w'Abafurere. Noneho arabica, arabanyaga, arabatoteza, ageza naho yageza azakanyaga amatungo yabo, akazakanyaga abakobwa beza. Urabizi ko Abanyamulenge ari mu bwoko bwiza, yareba abakobwa beza akabanyaga, yareba abagore beza akabanyaga abagabo babo. Uwo mwami yababayeho nabi cyane. Ndihuta ntabwo ntinda. Abanyamulenge barwana n'uwo mwami Mahina kugeza igihe bagumye gufata imisozi, barazamuka barenga hejuru muri ya misozi ya plateau kubona hasi. Iyo ni intambara ya kabiri bahuye nayo y'akarengane idafite ishingiyeho. Intambara ya gatatu ni intambara abantu aho ni mu ntara yo muri Kongo ibiyo hirya. Noneho abo bantu bari revolta kuri leta, ariko nabo birevolta kuri leta y'abazungu muri icyo gihe ni mu 1896. Birevolta kuri leta y'abazungu. Abazungu bari bamaze kugera muri Kongo, bari bishe igikomangoma cy'umwami wabo cyitwa Lutete. Noneho bamaze kumwica abazungu, abo batetera bari revolta ku bazungu kuri leta ya Jugi, batangira kurwana. Bavuye muri Kananga barajurutse iwacu muri Kivu y'Amajepfo. Bamaze rero kuhagera muri Kivu y'Amajepfo, Abafurero, Ababembe, Abanyitu, ayo n'amoko duturanye n'Abanyamulenge babiyungaho barabasanga, babana n'izo nyeshyamba, batangira kurwanya abazungu. Ariko bageze aho Abanyamulenge bo nk'ubwoko ntabwo bari barajanye n'izo nyeshyamba, bari kuri sayidi ya leta yari ihari force y'Igihugu. Noneho bukeye barahinduka izikoto yabo, batangira kwica Abanyamulenge. Iyo ni intambara ya gatatu mpayivuga yabaye ku Banyamulenge, ngo batangire kubarasa Abanyamulenge kubera ko bari abantu b'aborozi bafite amatungo yabo, bashaka kuja kubana n'izo nyeshyamba. Baravuga bati reka tubiyungeho tureko tubona umutekano. Ariko ntibizarekeraho, barakomeza barabarasa, babanyaga ibintu byabo kugeza igihe iyo ntambara yakomeje ikagenda mu Rwanda. Niho yarangiriye. Iyo ntambara irangizwa nuko hari umuzungu umuyetena witwa Shadrake yari amaze kurasa igikomangoma cy'u Rwanda cyitwa Bisangwa. Noneho rero ico mu Rwanda rwari ruri kontrole n'Abanyamulenge, Ababirigi bari muri Kongo. Noneho kubera ko abazungu hari ukuntu ntabwo baza barwana nk'abirabura, bakoze imishikirano. Ariko Abanyamulenge baranakaye kubera ko abazungu b'Ababirigi baje ku butaka bari bayoboye bakica igikomangoma cy'umwami. Aha hari icyo nshaka kuvuga ku Banyamulenge. Noneho rero bamaze kumwica abazungu rero kubera ko bakoze imishikirano tukiri imipaka, bamwe bagira iwabo abandi bagira iwabo. Iriya mipaka igabuye y'u Rwanda n'Uburundi yahariye yagabuwe ku itariki ya mbere y'ukwezi kwa gatanu mu 1910 bivuye muri iyo ntambara. Ariko sayidi y'abanyamurenge baje kuri iyo force publique bituma abafurero n'ababembe n'izo revolte zari zivuye kure zibanga haba havutse urwango rukomeye kubera iyo mpamvu. Nihuse abazungu baza no Kongo basanze abanyamurenge bafite amasheferi menshi agera ko kuri 3. Ubu amasheferi abantu bino kugira ngo bayumve ni kama district cyangwa district nini, district nini amagomboro. Ubu abanyamurenge bari bafite amagomboro bari bayoboye agera ko kuri 3. Hari ya Kayira, hari ya Karemagingo, hari n'iya Bigimba. None abazungu mu 1933 bashaka kwirukana abanyamurenge ahantu bari batuye ngo bahagire parike ahantu bazoba barebera inyamaswa, kubera abanyamurenge bari aborozi batagomeka ku bafurere, ababembe n'abafurere ko n'akarengane kakane wategurwa n'abazungu babakura ku butaka bwabo babuhereza abaturage babo. Hanyuma mu 1963 hafutse intambara bise Comité National de la Libération y'abasimba murere. Iriya ntambara Kongo izitwa muri ntambara ya mbere ya Simba murere icyo kivutse, kandi nayo yarivutse bivuye ku mpamvu z'uko Kasavubu yari amaze kwicwa mu butahagiye n'umwe abarashije Kasavubu bari ku muto bari muri murere bari kurwanya mu buto. Ivi yakavaga iraziza no muri Kivu iriya iwacu muri Kivu y'Amajyepfo gushike nanone b'abafurere n'ababembe n'abandi duturanye baje kuri iyo site ya murere. Bamaze kugera kuri site ya murere, abanyamurenge nabo babanje kubana nayo n'iyo murere kubera impamvu z'umutekano. Murabizi umuntu yari umukire ntabwo akunda intambo babijishije kwipanga, abandi barabarasa abandi barabatwara kugira ngo bishe umugenda, kandi mu by'ukuri nta gihambaye babasize, tibibye tibagambaniye leta gusa leta mbi yo kwangisha abaturage kuba baza kubica icuki. Hanyuma ndihuta mubabarire ku itariki 6 z'ukwezi kwa 8 muri 1966 n'ubundi bongera kwihegura ngo wenda izi ntambara zitugire ingaruka nimwegere abantu baje babana n'igihe gitoya. Ariko abo banyamoko twita abanyamoko iwacu bafurere n'ababembe bahindukiza ikota bagomba kurasa leta, baje kurasa abanyamurenge no kubanyaga. Bituma abanyamurenge kubwoko bongera kuvuga ku mugaragaro ngo twebwe tuduhuye na murere, baragaruka baje kuri leta ya Mubuga. Ico gihe n'icuri ya mutwe wa Mayimayi wavutse. Umutwe wa Mayimayi wavutse ku itariki 15 z'ukwezi kwa 4 mu 1964, kandi Mayimayi nta bisobanuro bihagije turabona baratubwira ivuka icuri. Hanyuma iyo ntambara iragwanwa, leta yayinisha imwe n'abanyamurenge birukana abo babayembe n'abafurero, intambara irarangira. Hahita havuka rero urwo rwango rwakomeje kugeza aya magina. Kanihute baza kuzamuka, baza kuturasa ku musozi, haza kuvukira izina tuza twitwa muza mu batwa ngo naba twirwaneho. Nico gihe nayo yavutse yibowe n'abagabo bari bagera kuri 500, kubera ko kwanga ko izo ntambara zizavuka zikabasangana n'abana babo n'abagore n'amatungo. Yari wari umutwe rero nko umutwe tw'ibitwirwaneho n'abaturage bashaka kwirwanaho, bari bayobowe n'uwitwa Mushishi, Gitongo, Charles Daniel n'abandi. Niyo bari bayoboye abantu bagera kuri 500 barwanya abo izo nyeshamba barabaresha. Iyo ntambara Imana isa nibafashije bavaho igihe gitoya. Hanyuma muri 1969 havuka intambara ya politiki, haterana amanama akomeye anasohora n'izandiko zita abanyamurenge ko ari abashitsi atari abanyekongo abasanga ubutaka. Batangira kwima amarangamuntu banga ko batora, ibyo ni birebire cyane iwacu murabizi. Hanyuma ku itariki mu 1972 hasohoka irigiteka kuri nationalite bigaga ku mpunzi zari zivuye mu Rwanda mu Burundi, bavuga ko baheza abantu cyangwa se baheza ubwenegihugu. Muve bahita bashiramo n'abanyamurenge bamaze ibyo binyejana nasomye haruguru ngo abanabo ni impunzi babashyira hamwe n'abo banyarwanda bari baramuze n'abarundi bicuye. Ariko iryo teka mu butoza kuvuga ko abanyamurenge ari abanyarwanda kuri mu gihumbi kimwe magana cyenda na mirongo inani na rimwe bongera kuvuga irindi teka rya nationalité cyangwa se itegeko aho birakomera cyane babita abashyitsi. Nibwo bazaga iwacu kwitoza bakavuga ngo dutore ariko twebwe ntitwitoza. Abanyamurenge benshi ntibitoza muri uwo mwaka. Hanyuma byaje gukomera cyane mu gihumbi kimwe magana cyenda na mirongo inani ubwo umunyamurenge umwe wari commissaire de peuple cyangwa se umudepite kuvuga yumvikana y'ubu witwaga Gisaro amaze gupfa. Numva birakomera cyane kuva kuri Gisaro twagiye kumbira abanyamurenge bongeye kuja kubona umwanya ukomeye muri leta kuri nguyu hashize imyaka 16. Muri 1982 igihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo inani na kabiri birukana kandidatire witwa Mutambo kuri liste y'itora yitozaga nabo kuba commissaire de peuple baramwanga. Mu gihumbi kimwe magana cyenda mirongo inani na karindwi bongera kwirukana kandidatire ya Tugu Musafiri ndetse bari batatu sinye ubundi nazo barazirukana bamba ko bitoza. Umva ko karengane kandi basashiko kisa ngo nationalité unababa ku mwana washitse. Mu gihumbi kimwe magana cyenda na mirongo icyenda na gatanu haterana inama y'ikubagaho yigaga ku mpuzi n'ubundi zazivuye mu Rwanda no mu Burundi bashiramo abanyamurenge baravugira ngo babahaye ico bise ultimatum y'imisi 6 ngo bavuye ku butaka bwa kiriya gihugu. Imana yarafashije tuza tuhuza twahuriza mu kwicara bwabaye ahantu hose tuvuga ngo ababuye mu Rwanda handi hose twagiye dufashiriza abantu dukomeze mwihangana ubwo mwihariko abavandimwe basizwe mu Gatumba turabihanganishije umwamikazi ndetse na pasiteri. Hanyuma turashimira abantu twatumiye muri kino gikorwa cy'uyu munsi kuko bamwe batabonetse bitewe n'impamvu ariko batumenyesheje. Hari inzego za leta twari twahamagaye urwego rukuru rwa district ndetse n'urwa polisi bakakunze kuba turi kumwe hano ariko hari inama bagiyemo babitubwiye ariko baravuga ngo bihangane abanyamurenge kubyo byabayeho mu isi ariko bimera ko hari ibyiringiro. Abo turashimira abatwitabye uhereye kuri Bishop Magambo twarahamagaye kuri telefone ntabwo tuziranye bihagije ariko nageze iwe sanga adahari ubutumire nabusiga biba ngombwa ko nongera kumuhamagara kuri telefone tumvikana araza. Turagushimira umushumba Imana imuhereze umugisha. Ndashimira Bishop Magaba twaramuhamagaye intumwa yashimira yirarika akaba yaje. Turagushimiye rwose n'umudamu wawe mwagize neza kutwitaba. Turashimira Pasiteri Niyonzima na madamu na Pasiteri mugenzi we hepfo hariya twarabatumiye mwagize neza kuza. Iwacu kuva kera kose iyo twapfushaga iyo bavuga ngo kugaragara ni ukuri bimeze tuza kuva mu gitondo tukaza nimugoroba ntawuriye tukagaragara umunsi w'ibyago n'umunsi w'akababaro. Ibyo muhura na byose ibyo mwabonye ni uko ari umunsi w'umwijima ku banyamurenge. Hanyuma rero turabashimiye abahageze n'abandi bose batabashije kuza bose bavuga ko tubashimiye.